Hi there, I'm Naden, marriage and relationships coach. Are you a step-parent and you're having problems with your step-children? Maybe you're a step-child and you're having problems with your step-parents. Well, if you are, and you're in the situation where you have a blended family, you're probably not realizing it's one of the most difficult situations you've faced in your life. And as a marriage and relationships coach, I've worked with many people and seen the effects that problems and conflicts have in a blended family between step-parents and step-children, and even between the two parents themselves. And in fact, it's one of the major causes of strain and stress on a marriage relationship. You know, it wasn't so long ago that I found myself in the situation where I was suddenly thrown into having 4 stepchildren of my own. And wow, talk about a culture shock. And if you've been in that situation, you'll know what I'm talking about. But what I realized is what I said before, it's one of the most difficult things you will ever have to deal with in your life is being a step-parent or even a step-child as well. Now, why is that? Why is it so difficult? Why is it so hard to work out what to do and people are having conflict and maybe you're getting resentment from your stepchildren or one or more of them? And maybe even if things are going pretty well most of the time, you're just aware that things could be better, that you could really find a way to live together easily and get some love and respect developing. So why is that so difficult to achieve? Well, I think there are a few reasons, but really what it comes down to is the fact that a step family, a blended family, is completely different to a biological family, one in which there are 2 natural parents with their natural children. And I think most of the problems come from the fact that when we're in a situation as a step-parent, the only rules, if you like, and the only way we can try and put things together is to try and merge it into some sort of biological family unit. And that's where the problem lies. It's completely different. So you need a different set of rules and you need a different set of expectations. And if you've got stepchildren and you're trying to treat them in a certain way, and they're not sure about you, and your husband or your wife isn't sure about how you should be treating their children, or even how you should be treating your own children, and you're not sure how your spouse, your husband or wife should be treating your children and treating their children and treating you, it's all just complicated stuff, isn't it? And of course the other thing we have in a step family or a blended family that we don't have in a biological family is we have the influence of all sorts of other people as well. There are the ex-husbands, the ex-wives, and they've got their relationships with their children who might be in your family. So I know this sounds complicated, but I'm sure you agree it is complicated. But you know, it doesn't have to be that way. You can actually get to a situation where everybody gets on really well, everybody's thriving, and your relationships are just a lot smoother. And you know the real benefit from that is the relationship you have with your spouse, with your husband or your wife. Because a lot of the problems, a lot of the stresses in a blended family and in a blended relationship come from confusion and conflict with the children. And of course, just as an aside, you didn't sign up for all these other people, did you? Not just the children, but also the exes and your ex, I guess. You just wanted to have a good relationship with this new person that you'd met and fallen in love with. And really, that is still what you want to do. And that's the whole purpose of you being in this family situation. Well, the good news is if you've got all these problems and conflicts and you realise that things could go better, but you just don't know how to do it, I've actually come up with a system. And I've turned this into a program called my Happy Blended Family Program. And the reason I've done this is because both from my own experience and with working with many people, I've seen there's a pattern, there's a way to put things together where nearly all of the conflicts, if not all of them, actually do disappear. And you can get on with having a really happy, thriving, happy blended family. So I've turned it into this program, and if you're having any issues with your stepchildren, your step family, maybe one of them's resentful towards you. Maybe you're not getting any cooperation at all. Maybe it's causing some real problems between you and your spouse. Then have a look at my Happy Blended Family program. It's going to show you a system that will really simply and very, very effectively resolve most of the issues, if not all, in your blended family. And then you can get back to life, to living life as you really want to, being happy. And the good news is everyone else will be happy as well. So please check that out. And just as one thing, the reason people ask me, why do you create programs? Why don't you just do coaching or counselling? And what's the difference between your programs in coaching or counselling? Well, what I've found with, and obviously I do private coaching as well, but what I've found with the programs is that they're a lot more effective. And the reason for that is, if you've been to a counselling session, you'll know that you can take plenty of notes. You can really try and remember what the person said. But at the end of the day, it's not humanly possible to remember everything they said and to apply it. And I've come out of counselling sessions myself and thought, what did they say? I forgot. So that it's not as effective. But with a coaching program, you get to listen to the audios and do the worksheets as often as you like. And some of the concepts that I have in my programs aren't difficult, but you need to get it. You need to really get it and start applying it. And that only comes with hearing it more than once and really being able to stop and listen. Stop the program at any point and listen to it and think about the idea until you really take it on board and start to apply it. So if you're in a blended family situation, if you have stepchildren, or if you know of somebody else who's having problems in their stepfamily situation, check out my Happy Blended Family program. All the details are on my website. And I look forward to helping you and turning yours into a happy blended family, which is what you deserve. I look forward to helping you achieve that soon. Bye for now.